Navigating Jargon and Slang, Workplace Talk 101. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of workplace communication. We'll explore the fine line between formal and informal language, focusing on jargon and slang. Knowing when to use which can make a huge difference in how you're perceived in the professional world. Jargon refers to specialized terms used within a specific industry or profession. These terms might sound like a foreign language to outsiders but are essential for clear and precise communication among professionals in that field. Examples: ROI, return on investment, in the finance sector. B2B, business to business, in the marketing world. Using jargon can be beneficial because 1. It provides shortcuts in communication. 2. It shows your knowledge and professionalism in a particular field. However, beware. If you're communicating with someone outside of your industry or someone new, using too much jargon can make your message unclear. Slang is informal language, often specific to a certain group or culture. It's more casual and can make conversations feel relaxed and friendly. Examples: touch base, meaning to check in with someone. Pulling a late one, meaning working late. While slang can foster camaraderie among colleagues, remember: 1. It may not be understood by everyone. 2. Overusing slang or using it in inappropriate settings can seem unprofessional. In the workplace, it's essential to know your audience and setting. Here are some tips. 1. With colleagues. If you're among peers in your industry, using jargon can be efficient. However, still be cautious with slang unless you're sure of the company culture and relationship. 2. Presentations and formal meetings. Stick to minimal jargon and define terms when necessary, and avoid slang. Aim for clarity and professionalism. 3. Networking and casual settings. A mix of both can work, but always lean towards clarity. Don't assume everyone knows your industry's jargon, and use slang sparingly. Communication in the workplace is an art. Jargon and slang have their places, but always prioritize clarity and understanding. We hope this guide helps you navigate workplace chats with confidence. Until next time, keep communicating and keep learning.